There is a key to scrubbing hard inquiries off of all three credit bureaus in under 14 days, and I found it. Guys, me and my team are successfully and consistently removing hard inquiries off Experian in under 24 hours and Equifax and TransUnion, the hardest bureaus to get removed, in 10 to 14 days. Now, there's a lot of videos on this topic on YouTube showing you how to commit fraud. File a police report, go to file an identity theft report. We're not going to do any of that stuff. If you're anything like me, you don't want to do any of that sketchy, fraudulent stuff. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a legit way to dispute off your hard inquiries. It is effective, it works, and it tends to be as fast as 14 days, sometimes 30 days. And what I'm also going to do with you is, if you just want my team to do all this for you, normally getting your hard inquiries removed is $400 for all three bureaus or $150 per bureau. If you join our school community, we're going to include it completely done for you. You don't lift a finger. My team will remove all hard inquiries for you, and it's just $97 a month. The link is in the pinned comment below. If you just want my team to do it for you, typically in under 14 days, we've got you. Go ahead, join our school community. You also get a personalized funding plan from me, myself, not AI, not an assistant, and you get group calls with us. You get access to our master classes and so much more. Now, if you want the free method, we're going to show you the letter template, everything in this video as well, to do it the non-sketchy, fraudulent way. So stick around in this video too. And just be careful who you're listening to, guys. There's a lot of fraudulent things that could get you in trouble out there. So be careful of who you're watching and who you're listening to. Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to leverage your credit to get access to maximum business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran. I run a real funding company with 25 plus employees. We fund over $5 million a month in approvals for our clients, and links to work with my team to fix your credit or get access to 100K plus in funding are in the pinned comment description below, as well as the school community, where we'll wipe your hard inquiries, get personalized funding plan, master classes, and group calls with me, myself. Now, guys, to be completely transparent with you, I cannot share the method we were using to get these hard inquiries removed in under 14 days. It's a closely guarded secret right now in the credit repair industry. Some people are even offering to pay $50,000 to learn this method. And the reason we can't share it is, if I post this on YouTube, it will literally stop working next week. Just being completely transparent, it will get patched, right? And so I am going to share the free method, disputing legitimately, leveraging the FCRA, leveraging dispute letters, that you can do in this video. But if you want that method that works in under 14 days, again, you're welcome to join the school community. Let my team take care of it for you. Now let's get into it. I really hope you guys understand. Again, like, I would love to share with you guys. I just don't want it to get patched. I don't want to ruin it for everybody, right? Now, before we remove anything, you need to understand what a hard inquiry actually is and what it actually does, because the whole industry tends to oversell it. A hard inquiry is when you inquire for credit and they pull your credit and leave a hard inquiry on your credit report. Now, here's the truth most people won't tell you. A single hard inquiry typically drops your score about 5 points. They stop dropping your score after 12 months, and they fall off completely after 24 months. And if you're shopping around for like an auto loan and you get hit with 17 inquiries or a mortgage, those inquiries within a 21-day period, even if there's 15 of them, most scoring models count them as only one hard inquiry. So let me be crystal clear. We're not showing you any fraudulent ways to dispute hard inquiries in this video as well. Now, under the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you're entitled to fair credit reporting. You have the right to dispute anything on your report that is inaccurate or that a company can't verify that they had permissible purpose for hard inquiries. That means have real grounds in this situation, right? Because number one, you may genuinely not recognize an inquiry, or you never applied with that company, or it's unauthorized, right? Those polls happen sometimes. They had no permissible purpose. 2, you asked for a credit line increase for a pre-qualification that was supposed to be a soft pull, and the lender hit you with a hard pull instead. 3, one application generated multiple duplicate inquiries when it should have just been one. This happens sometimes. 4, the inquiry has wrong info, a wrong date, wrong creditor name that doesn't match anything that you actually did. If any of these situations fits one of these, then you have a legitimate dispute on your hands. If you actually applied and authorized it honestly, right, then it's not hurting you too much. Unless you're doing a funding round, you don't really have to delete it, right? Now, here's the part that actually matters more than any removal tactic is prevention. The best inquiry is the one that you never create. For most people, they're torching their own reports because they apply for everything in the wrong order with no plan. So let me give you the framework we actually use. Number 1, use soft pull credit line increases. American Express, Discover, Citi, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, SyncB, and Community Bank cards, all of these lenders let you raise your limits routinely every 30 days or every 6 months with no hard pull. And you want to do this every so often so you can keep boosting up your credit limits. Number 2, use pre-qual tools before you ever apply. Most major banks let you your odds with a soft pull. So you only submit the hard pull when you know you're likely to get approved. Number 3, respect the Chase 5 and 24 rule and sequence your applications. Don't spray and pray. Space them out. Go for the highest value approvals first and stop wasting hard inquiries on cards you don't. If you do these 3 things, you're barely ever going to need to remove hard inquiries because you're not generating junk ones to begin with. That's how you stay fundable long term. Right now, if you do have illegitimate hard inquiries to dispute, step 1 is getting inaccurate reports because precision is everything here, right? So you could go to annualcreditreport.com. It's the only site that's authorized by federal law to give you your official credit reports from all 3 bureaus for free. Right now, you could actually get these for free every single week. And this shows you the data exactly as the bureaus see it. The true creditor name, the exact inquiry dates, and which bureaus that it's going to be reporting to. This matters because when you dispute, the name and the date on the letter have to exactly match the report so they know which one to remove. If they don't, the bureau can say they can't locate the item and they can close your dispute without doing anything. So pull your report, find the hard inquiries, write them down, the exact creditor name, the date, and the bureau that it's reporting to. Now for the method itself, we're doing this by mail with letters sent to each bureau. One letter for Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. It's going to create a paper trail and it forces a formal investigation under the FCRA. Now, we've got the letter templates in the description below. Just fill in the info and fill in the specific hard inquiries for each bureau. Now, here's how it works. You're going to send a separate dispute letter to Experian, Equifax, TransUnion that's reporting each of the inquiries that's on there that you want to get deleted. You identify yourself, you list the hard inquiries that you're disputing, the creditor name, the date, and you state why you're disputing it, right? For every dispute you do, you put a reason and an instruction. The reason you're disputing, the instruction. Please remove this off my credits. The reason, it's inaccurate, I don't recognize it, etc. Now, here's a few keys to get this right. You're going to want to send a certified mail. You can do this online, certifiedmail.com, so you get the receipts, so you have proof that they received it, and you include a copy, not the original, of your ID, and a page of the report, a screenshot showing where the hard inquiries were too. Now, once a bureau receives your dispute, the FCRA generally gives them 30 days to investigate and respond. If they can't verify the inquiry had a permissible purpose, it's supposed to come off by law. Now, realistic expectations, so you're not refreshing your report every hour, they technically have 30 days to respond. It can get taken care of faster. We've seen results as fast as a week at times. Now, some bureaus move faster than others, right? Some are stalled. If a bureau comes back and verifies a legit inquiry, then the system's working correctly because legitimate inquiries are supposed to stay technically. Now remember, they only ding your score for about 12 months and they fall off on their own anyway after 2 years. If you sent everything correctly and an illegitimate inquiry still wasn't deleted, you could follow up in writing, reference a certified mail receipt, and escalates, right, to a warning letter. Persistence and accurate documentation is what's always going to win in the credit repair process. Now, again, if you don't want to deal with any of this, you just want my team to handle it for you, we'll remove all hard inquiries on all 3 bureaus, typically in under 14 days, completely done for you. No need to lift a finger. It's typically a $400 service. You get it for over 75% off when you join the school community. Link in the pinned comments. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so we can push this information out to more people who need it. Again, the letter templates are in the description below. Please bear with me, guys. I know I can't share this like high-level info all the time, but the dispute letters do work. We're getting active results with them right now. As always, guys, links to work with my team to fix your credit or get access to 100K plus in funding are in the pinned comment description, as well as the school community. Wipe your hard inquiries, get a personalized funding plan as well. Don't be a mouth breather. Like and subscribe. Credit with Colin. God bless you, your family. God bless America. See you guys on the next one. Deuces.